Good morning everyone. Today I, Kajal Chaudhary of class 12th, going to present her views on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 at Mahau in Central Province, now Madhya Pradesh in India. He was first Law Minister of Independent India, economist, politician and social reformer and writer. He was a leader who led Dalit Buddhist movement and was the chairman of drafting committee. Ancient Indian society. The caste have been derived from Vedic texts which divide people into four major groups. Brahmins comprise of priests and elites, Kshatriya well known as warriors, Vaishyas called small businessmen and merchants, Shudras who were sanitary workers, untouchable or Harijan or Dalits. Untouchability in India. Untouchability is the practice of discriminating various individuals and groups based on their caste and jobs done by them. The untouchables usually bear inhuman treatment because they belong to lower caste. They have been going through various kind of discrimination in almost all places in countries nowadays too. The politicians use this to increase their vote bank and gain power in the government. Steps by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for the abolishment of untouchability. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was among the prominent leaders who fought very hard for the abolishment of practice of untouchability. Thus, the hard work of such people gave a rightful chance to Dalits to prove themselves and enhance the chance of equality, harmony, and brotherhood in the society. For more than a decade, he struggled to overcome untouchability by staying within Hindu fold, finding Hinduism too flawed to be forced for justice and Hindu orthodoxy too resistant to change. He gave up on Hinduism and turned to Buddhism. Laws were made in the constitution to accommodate the interest of oppressed class. Empowerment of untouchables. Article 17 of Indian Constitution abolished untouchability and declared it as unpunishable act. Article 15 says about the untouchability abolishment in India, and Article 14 says for equality before law. Article 243D of Indian Constitution gave reservation for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and other backward classes to give fair chance to this class also. Conclusion. Ambedkar, an untouchable of Mahar caste, knew first-hand the many humiliation including physical beating from Orthodox Hindus. In a world defined and controlled by caste Hindus, he did not count for much. But he worked hard to get rid of this vicious practice to him as well as for the whole community. However, 65 years after Ambedkar's death, Hindu society remained caste-bound and the untouchable are all too frequently brutalized. Though all people are equal in the eyes of law, but the shackles of this inhumane practice have clinched our society even in recent times. Thus, in order to break them, we shall not discriminate and dominate other on the basis of their caste and should teach other about importance of sensibility, generosity and equality with all people, and young generation should take charge and fight for its complete abolition. Thank you and happy Ambedkar Jayanti.